Purot na.
Ginamos.
Mag-set ka, gani. Kini na po.
Nga na kay...
Ano niya, nga sa ta.
Hi, Doge. How are you?
Ikaw ka bungka gani.
Ako lang gusto ko ginamos.
Sa magka eh. Naibaboy. Ito ginamos.
I-partner niya siyang kuan daw. Kamuti.
Kamuti. Ginamusan ba kamuti? Saging, dilaw.
Something good.
Saan ka ba?
To catch them in running, it doesn't happen that often.
Ang kauna po kada.
Napadong.
Ah! Mabutang sa vlog.
Alo. Ito na consent.
Ayun na. Ito kibog na ini. Nangiti na.
Starring man si Jack Daniels.
Mintres masugo ako siguro.
Mga.
Para man akong plato.
Wala sandok niya itong kanon?
Yes!
Nadia sa green din to.
What?
Baby.
Ano man ang naiplato man nang anong naman ni plato basta i-carver siguro kasuhodan niya eh.
Kadindi na.
Huwag na kabuko. Inas Martin, I see. Ay, wala talaga.
Nang ko na eh.
Hoy, ganahan mo malenda dito?
Ayan.
Lapad-lapad doon dito.
Ate, ito doon.
Kayo, mabali ito.
Daog na.
Mag-sip ah.
Ikaw, bro, chitan na unang buwan. Malipat pa ka.
What are you doing?
I'm doing the foot spa.
Yeah.
See this one? See the effect?
No, careful.
You see the effect.
Oh, I don't want to see.
Nana needs the plastic. You should let her shell. Nanan ko mo ito sa sardine run, day.
Ha?
Itong sardine run ba? Pwede na ko ba? Have you seen it, day? Ay. Ayaw lagi. Mga ona. Open na umay. I'm stuck. Ayaw lagi.
Tulo na nangita sa lambay nga nakagawas. Oh my God. Lambay is real. OMG. What is this thing here? I'm not gonna touch that. That looks like a super itchy thing. What are you doing? What are you trying to show us? Is that a tuyo? Di ba makaon mo na si orchid mo na siya?
Dagon daw na.
Oh my God, this is just so nice. Look at that.
Ito yung ma.
Look at that. That is super nice sunset. It's about to, the sun is about to set. Sunset. So everyone's here. Actually not. My father's in the city. He's gonna come here at some point. That's my mom. That's my uncle in there. Where? Uncle, mom, sister. She's trying to figure out how to get the tuyong because she wanna eat it. That's what she wanna do. She wanna eat it. And then is the environment. In there, I have to do this, if you can see. That is my brother's son in there. I think he's a little bit annoyed. Or can you see my finger? No, no. That one there. That's Nate. He's a little bit angry. I don't know why. But he's alone there. But he like it. And then here comes my sister's son. That's Ryden. He got his own world playing there. And then in that side, in there, I think, that's where you know, the rest of the family is sitting because they don't wanna go swimming. Super, super nice in here.
You take coffee with your cream, you squeak like a teen, and the Hugh Grant stuff you've watched enough, you mumble it in your dreams. You rock out on a broom and mangle some tunes. On weekends you dance in jammy pants until the afternoon. And I know it's hard to think that someone could be in sync with all your eccentricities. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally. Oh, I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with you. You think you're flawed, but wouldn't you agree? You're perfect for me. You talk to yourself and answer as well. You read ahead on Walking Dead before you watch the show. You eat bread with fur, you still call me sir. There's a piece of gum from 91 that's hiding in your purse. But no matter what I sing, I wouldn't change a thing. You're my postmodern masterpiece. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally. Oh, I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with you. You think you're flawed, but wouldn't you agree? You're perfect for me. Ba, 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 ba. Your mind and mine are strangely intertwined, and that's just a-okay with me. You're perfect in the perfect way. You're perfect and I hope you stay. Your goofy little self eternally. Oh, I'm weird like you, I know it's true. I'm in the clouds up there with you. You think you're flawed, but wouldn't you agree? You're perfect for me.
Nanti anak mga cheat niya na pang kinesod ni mama, mahayang ka ha.
Oh man,
Picture to.
cute.
Puro ang diyan.